Hello, how are you? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Here we are again this morning with a special recipe we have for you. And we're bringing you this again from our kitchen this morning. And what we're gonna give you this morning is something, is a smoothie, a slimming detox smoothie. That's what we're bringing you this morning. And this one I'm so excited because I know the word of today is everybody, trust me, wanted something healthy, something that will make you feel good and look good. Something natural, and we know all the natural ingredients is very healthy, and you can never go wrong when it comes to, things of natural. And this morning, this is not something hard that you don't know, but what is going to do in your body is what you don't really know. So I'm gonna bring you to the knowledge of this spinach, and this is celery, and here is a cucumber, here is pear, and this one is the lemon. So this juice, all it requires is 5 ingredients. And but another thing that you're gonna pay attention is these 5 ingredients. For you to achieve this juice, you have to and you must bring this blend this in a specific order. So please do not miss that. That's the only way for you to achieve your goal of what this is really going to do for you. And first and foremost, this is my spinach. Everything is clean, washed, and ready. So I just want you to see what I use and how I prepare this juice. And this morning you're gonna come with this spinach. If you're making like a cup of spinach, it requires a cup of water. But as you can see, our spinach is a little more than a cup. It's 2 cups of spinach from my own measurement. So I have to use like 2 cups of water. So pretty much it depends on how much that you are about to make. And right now you're gonna blend your spinach first. That's what I meant by specific order, which means like another word, step by step. So we're gonna blend the spinach first, and after we see that this spinach have really blended very well, then we're gonna cut our kind of slice it, you make it easy for it to move in a blender. That is the only way of, the reason of cutting this cucumber is quite big. So we're gonna cut the cucumber goes second. And you're gonna blend with the spinach now, the spinach and the cucumber, that is the second. So you blend it very well. When you see that the consistency is good, then you go with the celery. And also the celery, we have to cut it, make it in a smaller portion for it to be able to move around the blender also. So also make sure that the celery is mixed very well with the spinach and the cucumber. Here you comes with the pear. And all this, you do not peel the back. The skin is gonna be so the skin has that special nutrient that you also needed also. So remember not to peel the skin off. And as soon as you go with the pear, blend the pear and make sure everything looks good and well blended. Then you're gonna take the lime, cut your lime in 2 pieces or any way that is gonna be easy for you to squeeze out the juice. And all you need is 2 tablespoonfuls of the juice to go with the juice. And I promise you, if you keep doing this from 3 to 5 days, you're gonna see something amazing in your body and you're gonna feel good. So you watch me, and we're gonna take it step by step, and you're gonna see how we prepare this and how it comes out at the end.
I just wanted also to add, why this spinach goes this way, like goes fast, because the spinach is a rich source of thyroids, and which lessens hunger. So that's why it's very important that you follow the instructions. So that will help you, and thyroids, they help to, they they prompt the body to produce more of that hormones that help reduce food intake.
Exactly.
So that's why it's very important ingredient that we follow and we release it in order.
Right, and that is pretty much why you're slimming down, why you doing this juice thing, because provided you're not eating, because most of the dietary supplement that people take today, or even the one that you make at home, some at the end of the day you're still very hungry, you want to eat and you want to eat. So at the end of the day you feel like you're doing much, but you're not achieving more. So, but if you can come out with something like this that will kind of lessen that hunger intake, at the end of the day, believe me, you're gonna achieve a great result. So,
and also it really helps you to go to the bathroom.
Go to the bathroom, yes.
And like we are going in the holidays right now, or even the other time, you can eat your food and just drink your juices, so that you are having frequent bowel movement.
Seriously, and that is, we all know that is very, very, very healthy. It's pretty bad for you to keep piling up what we take in day out, piling it up and keeping it up in your body. So provided you taking this and you're doing this, you don't need all those things, all those laxative, this and that in the store. This will help you. Is a great detox, I promise you.
We have done it.
We have done it.
And it's really working.
Yes, from
and
experience.
Even my tummy is really going down.
Trust me, this is a very great detox. You're gonna witness it yourself.
And I love it.
You're gonna love it.
It's easy to make too.
It's easy to make. Mostly us ladies there, we don't want that big tummy anymore. We don't need it. So most of the time when you put your clothes on and then you look at the tummy, you go like, oh no. But with this great detox, it will go a long way.
And even the tummy is one of the very difficult places. Even if you are doing exercise, it's really hard. I'm speaking to myself, and I'm sure I'm speaking to
and
other
that is the truth.
You can do all the exercise, but that tummy is the hardest part.
A lot of mostly ladies out there, that is, the stomach, I don't know what it is, but the stomach is the hardest part. The stomach and thighs and all those things is the hardest part. We always having like a big challenges there. So, but we can't keep quiet. Thank goodness we have like a solution. There's a solution for everything out there. So I think it's this. So my hand is clean, where everything is washed clean. So remember, it's very important to keep the stuff, mostly whatever that you're putting in your mouth, make sure it's very, very clean. So this is all clean and my hand is pretty washed. I'm just trying to be careful because the blender thing.
I love this blender.
And it's really good. Okay, I'm gonna do this part first.
So, how much water do you put in?
So right now I'm gonna go with this one. All right. Remember what I said at the beginning. We want to make sure this thing goes in a specific order, so that's why I'm taking spinach first. I didn't add anything yet until I make sure it's blended before. remaining spinach. Just adding the remaining spinach because it is quite big to feed at the same time. Okay, now I can add more water. So right now we're gonna go with the cucumber.
This has a lot of digestive enzymes. That's why it helps to clean up your gut, your stomach.